Today I'm going to show you guys how to make 2 of your very own little minions. So here are the parts you're going to need for it. You're going to need a 1x1 tile, a 1x1 plate, both in blue. Then you're going to need 2 of the 1x2 jumper tiles, and one of them in black, one of them in yellow if you want to do it with the normal, just one eye. Then you need a 1x2 plate if you want it with 2 eyes, and then those in yellow. Then you can either have a 1x1 little dish, or you could have a little brick on it, depending on what size of head you want. Then you take these 1x1 clips, 2 of those in yellow, one of these motor bricks, I'm pretty sure. They have the bricks on the 3 sides, and then that on the other side. Then you take 1x2, 2 of those 1x1 tiles. Okay, so you're going to want to start out with one of these motor bricks. And on the bottom of it, you're going to add your 1x2 jumper tile, like so. After that, you're going to take a 1x2 plate in the yellow, place that on the back side, like that. Take a 1x1 plate, and then place that on the bottom to make his bottom. Then you're going to take 2 of your 1x2 jumper tiles, this time in blue, place them like the hole so that goes on top. It'll go right in the middle of it. And do that on the other side as well. It should have a little overhang right there. And then on that overhang, you're going to place a 1x1 tile in blue. And it should have a nice little gap. Then take 2 of your 1x1 clips, place those on the jumper tiles, like that. Then after that, take 2 of your 1x1 tiles, and this time in yellow, place those on the side. And then depending on whether you want 2 eyes or 1 eye, you can take the jumper tile and place it like so. Or in this case, I'm just going to place the 1x2 plate with the 2 eyes on it, place that in the middle like we did with the 2 jumper tiles earlier. And then depending on whether you want a big or a small head, you could place it like that, or like that. And there you have it.